Right people, so I've had my chicken soup for my Sunday dinner, and now I'm going to whip up a nice little fruit salad. Yeah, so I'm going to start with this. So I thought I'd do a few videos on the fruits that I've bought from the Taj in the town centre. So what we have here is the Chinese pear. It looks bog standard. It does look pretty much like an apple, and funnily enough they are also called apple pears. Looks pretty bog standard, but I've never had one, so I thought I'd try it and see what it's like. Just get a couple of snapshots for the cover photo. See, it helps in digestion, regulates the cholesterol levels, helps with weight loss, because of course it is low in calories. Now these, at room temperature, you can keep them up to a week, yeah, and it'll be all right. Now if you refrigerate it, they say 3 months refrigerated, but I can't see myself eating a fruit that I've had for 3 months, you know what I mean? So I can't say I'd be doing that. But they do say, yeah, you can have it up to 3 months. So I thought I'd give this a try. This will be the first ingredient that'll be going into the fruit salad that I'll be having tonight. Right, so it's got micronutrients which help in the blood, the bone and the cardiovascular health. Let's cut it so it looks like it's on the inside. And look at that, it looks just like an apple as well, doesn't it? So it's got the core with the seeds in the centre. Pretty much is, I'd say pretty much is an apple, to be honest. But they've called it a Chinese pear. Right, let me just, in fact, before I cut that, let me get a quick snapshot. I'm gonna have to make the details on the video pretty clear on this one, because really and truly, it does just look like an apple, to be honest. Right, yeah. Just get it out of the centre. Pop this out here, pop that there. It does exactly look pretty much the same. I'll give it a quick taste before I put it in the bowl, so let you know what I think. But when you cut it, you know when you cut a pear and you can see the little dots within the fruit, that's what I'm seeing here. So yeah, it does make sense. It does, the fruit actually does itself look like a pear on the inside, if you get what I'm saying. Right, let's have a quick taste of that. See what it's like. Not too bad, bitter. And it does give you that pear kind of crunch. I say it looks like an apple, but when you eat it, it doesn't taste like an apple. The texture's not like an apple. It does actually taste like a pear. Quite shocking actually. I'm looking at it, it really does look like apple. So that's going to be my first ingredient. Let's get my bowl. Let's get the core. Put this over here. Get my bowl. Here's the bowl. Put it over there. Alright, so there's the texture. If you can see the texture on the inside. I'm going to keep the skin. Dice that up. I've got my first ingredient for my fruit salad today. I'm not going to offer it to anyone else, and I'll just probably say no. In fact, let me see if Crystal wants to be. 1 second. Just give me a second. Crystal! Do you want some of this Chinese pear? Do you want some Chinese pear? How about you, Tam? Oh, I didn't think so. Didn't think so. I'll try it. I've got my daughter onto the chicken soup now, so she's coming round. She's coming round. Which is a good thing, you know what I mean, because that soup's full of nutrients, vitamins, and good for you. Right, so that's the first Let's get a quick snapshot of that, give it. That's the first ingredient. Chinese pear. Right, let me just move that knife. Right, so let's just run through that little list that I've got over there then. Right, so it's got plenty of fibre in it, vitamin C, which is going to help with the free radicals, help with the gut health. It's got micronutrients to help the blood and bone, and cardiovascular health, aids in digestion and regulates cholesterol levels. It's low in calories, so it's going to help with weight loss. Have another bite of this. Yeah, and they're called Chinese pears, but they're also known as apple pears. Get your fruits in, people. Good for you. Put back any of the vitamins and nutrients that you might be missing or taking out for whatever reason.